What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here in the coal country of southwestern Pennsylvania, where crews are deep into a large-scale surface mining operation. And I've been standing here for 2 hours watching this thing work, and I still cannot get enough of it. Right in front of us is the star of the show, the CAT 395 Crawler Excavator. One of the biggest production excavators CAT has ever built, and out here in this black earth and rock mix, it is absolutely in its element. Just look at the size of that bucket. We're talking enough capacity to swallow a small car whole. Every single bite this machine takes out of the ground is measured in tons, not pounds. Now watch this. The boom comes down smooth, the bucket teeth sink deep into that dark Appalachian earth, and it pulls up a perfect scoop like it's cutting through butter. That is a seasoned operator right there. No wasted motion, no hesitation, just pure, efficient execution. The tracks are caked in mud, the body is covered in dust, and this machine does not care one bit. That's that real coal country grit for you. The CAT swings 180 degrees and dumps a full load straight into the haul truck waiting below. You hear that? That sound of tons of material hitting the truck bed. That right there is pure satisfaction. And before that first truck even finishes rolling out, this beast is already swinging back for the next scoop. Zero downtime, zero wasted motion. This is what peak productivity looks like on a job site. Here's a fun fact for you guys. The CAT 395 operates at over 5,000 psi of hydraulic pressure. We're talking enough force to lift a full-size pickup truck like it weighs absolutely nothing. So when you see those bucket teeth punching through solid rock like it's nothing, now you know why. Second haul truck backs into position. And check out the precision on this. The operator barely taps the joysticks, swings the bucket perfectly over the bed, and drops the load dead center. The coordination between this excavator operator and the truck drivers out here is next level. One wrong move. We're talking a major collision, equipment damage, serious injury. These guys have thousands of hours of seat time under their belts, and it shows in every single movement. Let's zoom out and take in the full picture. Look at the scale of this operation. This is not a small job site. This is full-on Appalachian mining in action. And now the cat moves over to a section with much bigger rocks, and I mean big. Boulders that would stop most machines cold. But this Cat 395, it scoops them up like pebbles. Every time those steel bucket teeth hit solid rock, you hear that deep, heavy metal on metal clank. And that sound tells you everything you need to know. This machine is built for exactly this kind of punishment. Now the machine is swinging directly toward our camera. Take a close look at those bucket teeth, covered in black earth, shining where the steel has been ground down against the rock. That right there is what thousands of hours of hard work looks like up close. The rhythm never stops. Dig, swing, dump, repeat. Dig, swing, dump, repeat. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed performance, except every move weighs 50 tons. The sky is getting overcast now. Classic Southwestern Pennsylvania weather. But the production does not stop. The last truck of the shift pulls in and the cat fills it right to the brim. And that's what this is all about. When you put a great operator behind the controls of a great machine, on a job site that demands everything you've got, this is what happens. Raw power meets human skill, and the result is something that honestly never gets old to watch. And that's a wrap on today's video, guys. Being a construction blogger means eating a lot of dust, going home covered in mud, and standing in the wind for hours. But getting to watch an absolute beast like the Cat 395 work up close in coal country? That is a total rush every single time. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling me what your favorite piece of heavy iron is. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what we've got coming up next. We've got some serious heavy equipment content lined up and you do not want to sleep on it. Stay safe out there, keep grinding, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.